Hi, I'm Mackenzie Schultz, and this is my final project for our Rocket Design Lab. You need 3 highlighters, 1½ tablespoons of baking soda or as much as you want, 2 tablespoons of vinegar or as much as you need, an empty water bottle or pop bottle, a paper towel to act like a funnel, duct tape to tape the highlighters on. Alright, so now we know the materials we need, so here's how the procedure will work. So first off, you're going to take an empty water bottle or pop bottle like I said earlier. You're going to want to have 3 highlighters like I had earlier and some duct tape. Now we're going to want to take the roll of duct tape, take some of it off, and hold one of our highlighters on it so the lid is facing down. And we are going to want to stick the duct tape on the bottle like this, so it's like this. And then we're going to grab another highlighter and stick it on somewhere over kind of next to the other one, but far enough away where the highlighters can make a stand for it. So, like this. And then we're going to add the last highlighter to the other side. And we're going to wrap the duct tape around the other highlighter to make a stand. And then tear the duct tape off. This is what our final rocket should look like when we're done constructing it. My hypothesis is if I increase the amount of baking soda in my rocket, then my rocket will spend. Here are the results from the round 1. The first 4 trials and then the average of the first. Here are the trial numbers for round 2, 1 through 4, and then the average at the bottom. Here's the graph I put together displaying trials 1 through 4 for each round I did and the average. The good thing about this science project is that my hypothesis was accepted. My rocket is related to Newton's first law because he states in that law that an object in motion will stay in motion and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. Therefore, my rocket was in motion until it was acted on by an unbalanced force, so we could call that the gravity of the Earth. In Newton's second law, he describes how acceleration is proportional to the net force of an object. So therefore, in my rocket, the rocket went up slower than it would have came down due to the net force and the acceleration my rocket was having. Now in Newton's third law, we talk about how every action has an opposite and equal reaction. So, yet again, therefore, my rocket was going up in the air. It had an equal and opposite force of gravity. So when it accelerated, it also had a deceleration with it. Newton's laws do a great explanation of how things work in the world, and especially during this rocket project, I found out a lot more information that I did not know that existed in the rocket project with Newton's laws. I just want to say thanks for watching this video by me and hope you enjoyed it.